What's going on, guys? Reviews by David. I am David, and today I want to take you on a tour of our home, of our living room mainly. We're going to do a living room review here real quick. I want to show you some of the smart tech we're using, some of the other tech we're using, different things I'm looking to maybe upgrade in the future, things we're using now, how we utilize it in everyday life. So hey, stick around and let's watch. I'm going to take you right through it. Let's just go right around the room, all right? Let's go. So we're going to start right here first with the Amazon Echo Show. This is the second gen with the 10.1 inch screen. Absolutely love this thing. It can show movies, it can show weather, you know, the time. I can use it to command my lights, turn my TV on, start our robot vacuum. I can drop in on different rooms with, if my family or my daughter or wife are in another room, I can drop in on them through this, check on them, tell them if anything's ready. I can set timers, so if we're cooking or baking or something, set a timer through this. Cool little function I've got going is that the lights will actually flash as that timer's going off. So if for some reason you don't hear it or whatever, and you just see lights flashing maybe from another room, you know whatever you're cooking is done, and you need to get out here and fix it or whatever. But I absolutely love this thing. It's been worth every single penny. It can also show me my doorbell camera that we have. We have one through Vivint. If you got one through Ring or any of those, it'll work just with that. And I can tell it to unlock the door to let people in and stuff. Absolutely love this device. I wouldn't trade it for anything. So that's where we're going to start with the Alexa, or I'm sorry, the Show. That's something you might want to look into. Maybe the 8 inch or the 5 inch. Alexa, stop. But see what happens when you use her name. But anyway, that's the first smart tech we've got going in this house. Let's move on to the next. All right, right here, not so much of a smart tech piece, but it's a 1-beat plug. It adds 3 plugs and 2 USBs. And now my wife has, of course, an iPhone, an Apple Watch 5. We have, my daughter's got the laptops and stuff from school now that they're doing that at home now. We've got other devices, some of my GoPro stuff, my camera equipment. This is a great little thing to have to go ahead and get all that charged, anything we're going to need for the next day. We have it all sitting right here, ready to go. Get it charged overnight. My daughter's tablet, almost forgot about that. Just anything we need charged. My Beats by Dre headphones, hey, got a review on that on here, check it out. We charge them up right here, ready to go in the morning, throw them in our backpacks or whatever we're doing so we can head out the door. Everything's freshly charged, ready to go. This is called living in your home because it does not look the best when everything is here, charging up, ready to go. But of course, every night it's just us, and usually during the weekend we can put all of it away or move stuff into the bedroom if we're gonna have company, and it's no big deal. Got it kind of cleaned up right now for y'all. But hey, one of these things, they're awesome. I only have one. Gonna have to get more for around the house because they really clean everything up nicely and just make everything clean. So hey, check it out, 1-beat. If I can find it, I'll drop a link below that you can check these out. Super awesome. We also use them when we go on cruises because most cruise ships only have 1 plug. So we can plug that in, get 3 plugs, USB, so we can charge our phones, any camera equipment there. If we have to bring our laptops for work or whatever, tablets, we can charge on the ship. We don't just use the 1 plug, we have all 3 of them. So that's something else to consider with these. All right, let's keep on moving. All right, so right here we've got our Neato D7 robot vacuum. Of course, I can use our Echo to turn it on and get it going. It vacuums our whole house, our downstairs. This thing has been a complete game changer. It's one of the ones that can track out. It does like a 13 by 13 square, and then it'll start striping for you. Of course, this is the one that you have to dump out the insert by yourself or whatever. It's doesn't load up as some of the newer models do. Definitely want to check these out though. This has been a very nice game changer. We know if we have friends coming over or anything and we got about an hour or two before they come, we can get this thing vacuuming while we clean up other stuff. Does a great job, has a turbo mode. I actually have a review for this. Check the channel for the review on that. It goes more in depth. Absolutely love these, game changer. Bunch of my friends have different type ones. Check out one that you might like. I highly recommend this one. It's about $6.99 I believe right now, but man, I cannot live without this thing. So this would be great for living rooms, bedrooms. You can do multiple floors. Absolutely love it. takes the care and the worry out of vacuuming everything. So hey, check out the Neato D7. Alright guys, when I bought it, this was the pride and joy of the house. It's a 65 inch, I believe it's a 60 inch LG TV. It's not a smart TV, so as I'm talking about upgrades, this is one of those things that's going to be looking for an upgrade, because all my other TVs in this house now are all smart TVs. Absolutely love them. I love the 60 inch here. I'll probably stay 60 inch, but I'd love to go with a nicer TV, maybe an OLED or something. We watch way more TV down here than we do in my man cave, so that'd be a great addition to this. But I do love it. It looks great. The picture's super sharp. It's a 6000 series LG. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend anything LG, but we're going to be looking into a higher model, or I am at least going to be looking into a higher model for it. But for now, hey, it's got a great picture and it does what I need it to do. I actually bought an LG soundbar and sub, paired up nicely with this. The sound is so far better than just the TV. However, it's a great entry level. If you just need something for better sound, you don't need anything super high dollar. I want to say I got this one, I think it was about $200. So check into it. I'll try to find it and leave a link down below on this one as well. It does great. It mounts well. It easily pairs, because they're both LG, it easily pairs with the TV. I'm actually looking to upgrade this because when we have friends over and we want to listen to a movie really loudly down here, or music really loudly, the sub has no punch. The speakers, they get up pretty loud. They're not earth shaking or anything, but it is pretty crystal clear. It sounds great. I don't have the best ears in the world, so if you have a real ear for sound, it might not be for you. But if you just need something that sounds better, this is great. Don't expect much from the sub though. The sub goes into power mode, power saving mode, or what is it, safe mode, just almost the minute the bass hits hard. So I would not recommend it if you want a sub or anything though. If you want something that has some thump to it, some movie experience, I wouldn't really recommend this system. But if you just need something, hey, for kind of cheap, that just sounds better, maybe for your bedroom or something, I would look into something like this. That's what I plan on doing, is moving this one into the bedroom so that we have a little more sound in there if we want to lay down and watch a movie or TV in there while we're getting ready to go to bed or getting up in the morning or anything. But outside of that, it's not really fit for a living room, especially ours is big and open. Not the best setup, but hey, it works good for now. We've had it for about 2 years. I can't complain about it. I still love it, but it's time for bigger and better things, right? All right, let's get to the next one. And lastly up here, we have the Logitech Harmony. As far as being able to turn the TV on when we get home, we can tell it, hey, basically Alexa, turn on the TV, and she uses this, turns on the TV and the sound bar. Works great for us if we're coming in carrying groceries or getting up in the morning and just want to get on the news or some sports or whatever. This thing works great for it. Might actually replace it with some smart plugs. Stay tuned for that. Like I was speaking about upgrades, might just go to smart plugs, might just be easier for me. But let's keep it going. Got one more thing to look at. So in general, most of the lights we have in this house, the backlit TV, the 2 lamps here, under the cabinet lighting, under our bar lighting, is all Philips Hue. Absolutely love it. It's very easy to use. You gotta have a hub for it. I've got it with up right next to my computer, but you just get set up with your hub and you can set up scenes. You can set up and tell it what to do and turn on at certain times, start dimming down at certain times, which we don't really use that because we're kind of sporadic with bedtime and I don't want all of a sudden my lights telling me what time it's time to go to bed or anything. But hey, it's got a very easy app. We can pull it up on the app, turn it off, no big deal. Absolutely love them. They really set the mood for watching movies or got game day coming. You turn them red and white for Alabama, whatever team you like. You set colors to them, set scenes, can dim them down. That way if you are watching a movie, you can have it in a real low setting, or you're just trying to relax at night, getting ready to go to bed, kind of setting the mood, get your body ready. Hey, it's time to go to sleep. But they're also super bright. They light up the house awesome. Another thing I like about it, of course, like I said, when you get up in the morning, I can be in bed, pull up the app and go ahead and turn them on to when I come out here, they're on and ready to go. If I come in from the house, again, I can tell my voice assistant, hey, turn on the lights. I'm carrying in groceries or just whatever, or I don't want to go turn on a bunch of lights. I can just tell her all the lights shoot on, you know, ready to get started, getting home, cooking dinner, or whatever we're about to do. Absolutely love these lights. show you a little bit of how they look and what they do. Perfect under cabinet lighting, under bar lighting. They change colors, of course, 16 million colors or whatever. There are better, I'm not going to say better options, there are cheaper options like through Govee and some. Alright, now that I showed you some of the Philips Hue lights in bright mode, let's go ahead and show you some of the stuff it can do otherwise. So watch, let's just check, I'll show you. Alexa, turn the lights blue.
Okay.
As you see, turn the lights blue. Look around, hate to shake y'all up. Blue. Alexa, turn the lights green.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the lights to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
So, as you can see, the Philips Hue is awesome. Love the color changing capability, on, off, brightness setting, being able to use a voice assistant for it. If she's a little too far away from my couch, I can easily hit on my app, pull it up, dim it to whatever percent I want, change the colors, change the scene. So I wanted to highlight this guy real quick. Sorry for the echo in the hallway. It's our Netgear Wi-Fi extender. Our other one is our main router is in my office, which is on one side of the house, and my man cave is upstairs in the other corner of the house. So this helps extend the range so that I can use my Philips Hue and stuff upstairs and not really have any problems running my YouTube TVs up there, all that good stuff, phones, all the capabilities that we might need up there. This thing does a really good job of extending it. It's not perfect. Sometimes I have to come in here and return, turn it off, turn it on type thing. Redo the little antennas a little bit. They're set. This one's got to be pointed towards the router, this one to where you want it to go. Since I found that out and did it, it's worked a whole lot better. But it's been a great little extender to get the internet upstairs so that I can use it up there. So hey, let's get this last one. Okay, so the last thing I'm really looking at upgrading probably soon is our trash can. We've got all these nice stainless steel appliances in here, and we've got this black trash can. I found some nice stainless steel trash cans they're Demon Smart trash cans. They do some nicer little things, of course. This one's old, it's broken, needs to be upgraded, so I'm going to get one of these trash cans for here, same size but in stainless, and I'll do a review on it as soon as I get it. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want more information like that, and any other upgrades I do in here, anything I add, subtract, like I said, especially the soundbar, the TV, stuff like that just needs to be upgraded and brought up to date. Hey, it's just money, right? But if you like videos like this, shoot it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you don't mind. Hey, and let me know what kind of smart tech do you have in your house. Any of these look good like you would like to have in your house and utilize? I mean, the Echoes have been a huge game changer for us. Smart plugs, all that stuff. If you don't want the Echo, the smart plugs work really great. You can do them from your phone, and that can turn stuff off and on for you too, like normal lights. If you just have normal lights in your house and that's all you want, smart plug can turn them on and off for you, so you don't have to have an assistant or Philips Hue and spend all that money. Those aren't expensive. But hey, if you like this video, like I said, shoot it a big thumbs up, subscribe. Gonna have more coming out like this. I'm gonna get better at this too, so right now, trying to get used to being in front of a camera. But hey y'all, I appreciate y'all watching, and until the next one, we'll see you later.